Hello guys, Kevin Moringa here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's raining hard and we are just having fun with Team Friction.
Hello, subscribe to Kevin Moringa. You gotta subscribe.
You heard him guys. So we are doing push-ups. Since it's raining pretty hard, we can't go back home now. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, my life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero.
Let's go. Yeah.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Superhero.
One,
Superhero.
3, 4, 5,
Fly away.
7,
First time of today.
8,
Today.
9, 10. Let's go.
Believe you are the strength. You're all I need.
One more.
Need.
15.
Oh, gonna give it a shot.
Damn, look at him. Maja. Ni mau power tuh. Oh gitu. Enak. Alright guys, we're about to move out. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to subscribe, like and share. And see you guys in the next video.